What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make Gboard the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on general management. Now scroll down and tap on keyboard list and default, and then tap on default keyboard. Now if you have set the Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard and now you want to set the Gboard as the default keyboard, then tap on default keyboard, and from here you can select the Gboard, and you can select the Gboard in different languages. So select your language and then the Gboard will be selected as your default keyboard. So that's how you can make Gboard the default keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.